Hey everyone, welcome back to Top 5 Facts. Today, we're tackling a topic that affects many of us, debt management. If you're looking for effective ways to get your debt under control, you're in the right place. I'm going to share the top 5 debt management tips you can start today. Let's dive in. Tip number 1 is to create a detailed budget. Start by listing all your income sources and expenses. This will help you see where your money is going and identify areas where you can cut back. Allocate a portion of your budget specifically for debt repayment, ensuring you're consistently chipping away at what you owe. Next, prioritize high-interest debts. Focus on paying off debts with the highest interest rates first, such as credit cards. This strategy, often called the avalanche method, can save you money on interest over time and help you become debt-free faster. Tip 3 is to consider debt consolidation. If you have multiple debts, consolidating them into a single loan with a lower interest rate can simplify your payments and potentially reduce your overall interest costs. Just make sure to compare different options and choose one that truly benefits your financial situation. Fourth, don't hesitate to negotiate with creditors. You might be able to secure lower interest rates or more favorable payment terms. Reach out and explain your situation. They may be willing to work with you to ensure they receive payment. Lastly, build an emergency fund. Having savings set aside for unexpected expenses can prevent you from accumulating more debt in the future. Aim for at least 3 to 6 months' worth of expenses in your fund. And there you have it. 5 practical debt management tips you can start implementing today. Remember, managing debt is a journey, not a sprint. Stay consistent and patient, and you'll see progress over time. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and facts about finance and more. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.